Hi everyone, Marion Embossing here. Happy New Year to you all. I know I'm a bit late. I do apologise. But better late than never, eh? I mean, I'm not even going to go into it. If you read my newsletter, then you'll know. But if you haven't read my newsletter, you don't want to read my newsletter. And for all you non-UK people out there, a loo is a toilet over here, so you don't want to read that. Anyway, I will put a link to it if you fancy signing up, and I don't bombard you, trust me. You know how lapsadaisical I am. Anyway, I've had some stuff going on and I treated myself as you do. You know when you're in that slump and you think, oh, I'm going to treat myself. Anyway, these caught my eye the other day on Amazon. So these little Chameleon powders, whether they've still got these particular ones, I don't know, but I will link to anything that looks similar. And I just thought, oh, do you know what? They're very much like a mica powder, but they're colour shifting. So I thought, oh, that could look quite nice. And I know I've probably got something similar. I know I have. Hand update. Look, I think it's getting better. But anyway, so yeah, just a really quick and simple card today or two. Fell in love with these, Sizzix 49 and Market. Oh, they're just beautiful. What are they called? Fine stems, and then the dies to match. Not sure if I'm going to use the dies. Probably will, actually. Probably will. But let's just go in and do something with the stamps first of all. So I'm very disorganised because I'm about to do a virtual show for America that's going to take up all my week. And then I'm also getting ready to go to Frankfurt with Wow Embossing. So that's going to be lots and lots of work, but lots and lots of fun. Okay, so I've got a piece of Wow cardstock. I've also lowered my camera so you can see it a bit closer. Don't know whether that matters or not. I don't know. But if you like it better, let me know. And if you don't like it, I'm sure you'll let me know. So, I don't mind. I'm just here for you. I have also got a link to all my favourite things that I've bought from Amazon. I haven't filled it all up yet. There's too many. I don't tell my husband. But anyway, she says waffling as she's looking for stuff. I haven't got my light on in here because it's quite bright. Let me just... I shouldn't really use this kind of brush, but it's better than that. Let's have a look at that one. That might be all right. Yeah, let's just get those out. Okay, so just simple. Right, I'm not even. Am I even? Am I? Let's get this bad boy out. I haven't used it for a while. I think I used it on my last video actually, so I'm lying. Anyway, let's get this out. Stick it down on here. Look, I really shouldn't do that. Who knows that you shouldn't do that? Stick my fingers all over it. And I'm just thinking, some of these are just gorgeous. So let me go. I'm just going to pull a few of them off. And I'm going to just go, I'm going to go for my really simplest design. You know, I like simple. And my brain can't handle much more at the moment other than simple. So let's just go like that, like that. And then what else have we got? I want sort of a long... oh, that would work, actually. Or that one. Here I go, procrastinating. Looking at that one upside down. No, I weren't. No, I weren't. Oh, dear. I don't know. Let's go that one. Come on, pull off. Okay. So, right, what I might do then, because that's facing that way, I'm going to go like that. You know what I'm going to do, didn't you? And then I'm just going to stick a sentiment going across there. It's my go-to design, it really is. But I just want to have a little play with these. It's just an excuse. We love an excuse, don't we? So I'm just going to get that like so. That like so. Grab me doodah. And do you know what? I'm not, well, this ain't political. This is, what is this? Oh, I don't know what it is. But, oh, my heart. I know there's a lot of atrocities going on in the world and it's awful. But seriously, I have visited California so many times. And I've got a lot of friends who are in California. And, oh, my goodness. It's like something out of a blimmin' Spielberg movie. It's awful. Absolutely awful. So, look, and I'm sure you'll all join me in sending virtual hugs to them all. I'm not sure what else can be done from the UK. I'm sure there's going to be fundraising things going on, which I'm happy to donate to. So I'll look out for those, but just awful, those fires. Anyway, let's get back to... I sound really blur and down today, don't I? I can hear it in my own voice. I sound terrible. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come on, Marion. Kick yourself up. Right. Okay. So let's just see if we've got some nice ink on. Yes, that looks nice. Right. So let's just take this off and go in with, let's have a little bit of, I should have took my lids off. Oh, look, they've got little dude. Oh, that's a good idea. Is it? She says. I think you're only going to need a tiny bit. These are, they're going to be a bit like me. I mean, I'm not new to this. I'm really not. I just wanted an excuse to buy something. You know what it's like? Oh, I'm just going to pick random ones. This is a really good idea, this little thing, because you can't spill it then, can you really? I'm just mixing them up, just throwing it on there. Yep. All right, so what have I gone? I've gone like a bluey, a reddy pinky. Oh, that's quite nice, that goldeny sort of colour. But I saw quite a few on there and they're all just like in sets. But I will put links to everything. Anyone who buys anything from my links supports me, and trust me, I really appreciate that. And so does my husband. So, just saying. Right, let's go. I know I should only do it in threes, but let's go one more colour because this one just caught my eye over there. It's like a greeny, sort of a greeny colour. I've probably gone far too many now. Greeny gold, so it's probably not much different to the one I've just used. I don't know. And this is what's fun about these. It's not until you start tapping it, like, you know, getting it on there, that it starts coming to life. Love it when it just looks a hot mess. Bit like me at the moment. Good job the camera's not facing me, I tell you. That wouldn't be fun. Well, for you it would, not for me. I'm going to go a little bit more of that blue because I did go quite light. Let's go there. Right. Okay. So, I'm not going to rub it. I'm just going to tap. And this is how I used to use my... I have done videos on these before. Not these particular ones. But I just think... it just makes for like a quick and colourful, she says, card. I've gone way too much on there. Of course I have. I'm so heavy-handed. They're very, very light, aren't they? Right, so this is why I've got black card out as well, because what did I do with me? Oh, hang on a minute. I need my sweeper brush. Let's give it a sweep. Oh, they've come out like a real pastel look. Okay, I've got a couple more ideas now. Okay, that's really, really pastel, isn't it? Right, I'm going to do the same. Let me get rid of, I'll keep these 4 out, so I'm going to keep those ones out. I could keep that, but I'm not. Just going to flick it in the bin there. Now, I'm going to do it on some black cardstock. So let's just go again. I know this card is much bigger. Much, much bigger. And do you know, I bought all these in the different sizes. I still ain't properly used them yet to how I want to use them. But I will. So I'm just going to use it to... Oh, see, stick that down. My thing really needs cleaning, so it's more sticky. This is already a folded card. Okay, so that was loud, wasn't it? I shouted that, sorry. Okay, let's go back. Now, I'm assuming they're going to be a lot more vibrant. And that on there. That on there. I do love my stamp wheel thing as well. Oh, no, this is a stamp wheel, isn't it? Oh, what's my Sizzix one called? The spin, stamp and spin. But this was closer to my hand, so I've used this one. Okay, just make sure I've got my colour on there. Perfect. Just move that over. Right, and let's just, I might as well have kept the lids off actually. Just repeat the process. And then I've got another little idea. I'm sorry if I've done this on previous videos before. But I need to sort of kickstart myself. I've been doing lots of things on my X-Tool machine. I cannot tell you how much I'm loving that. It is amazing. And I'm actually going to be doing my first little craft fair. Hopefully selling some stuff that I've made with it. Who knows? I'll keep you informed. And I have got some videos to do because I have had people asking me if I can show them how to do certain things. So I will get round to that. But with what's been going on and Christmas and yeah, it was all a little bit too much. So let's go like that. And then this last one. Oh, that's strong. Look at it against the black. It's like an explosion, isn't it? Right. Tap, 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 tap. That's better. But I quite like the pastel. I've definitely done this on a video before. I know I have. Do you know, I was saying to someone the other day, I can remember things that are like 30 years ago, 20 years ago, 40 years ago. I can even remember things when I was a little child. But ask me like 6 weeks ago or yesterday, I ain't got a clue. Please tell me I'm not the only one like that. I need to go back through all my old videos and have a look. Right, let's just move that out the way. Get my little... That's better. I'm trying to think, what did I use then? See, I've gone and bought these and I've obviously already got something like it. Oh, that's pretty, look. Look at that. Can you imagine through a stencil as well? That would be nice. Right. So we've got it really pastel. And then there's the vibrancy when it's against the dark. But then I was thinking, I didn't have as much wastage on that one. Let's get rid of that. I was thinking if, get my card out again. This time I'm just going to clean the stamps, get that ink off, just rub them with a baby wipe. Okay, and then I am going to use the Altenew Obsidian Pigment ink. Right, let me just, it's got a little bit there. I'll stick that there. Wonder if that will stay. We shall see. So I'm thinking, because if I wanted to use a white card, I didn't want to use a black card, because then you've got to write with like a gold, silver, white pen or something inside. If I do it with the black ink, I wonder how vibrant that will come out. Okay, push, push, push. That went on nice. Okie dokie. And same thing. So I need this ink to stay wet long enough. So you don't want to use an alcohol-based one. Now, I know I've said it before, I can't remember what ones I used before, but this one don't leave as much residue all over your card, especially the black, because black cardstock is really porous. So let's have a look. So we've got real pastel, beautiful for sympathy cards, wedding cards, things like that. This one we've got the most dominant, look at that, the dominant of colours. And this one is still beautiful. It's not as dominant. Let's put them side by side. But because they're colour shifting, oh, look at that. Oh, well, I don't know if you're getting that. Whoa. It's really hard to try and get it on camera. I see it and then I look at my phone and I think, oh, no, that's not what you've seen. Aren't they gorgeous? So, do you know what? They're like 3 really simple cards in my arsenal. I might... Oh, no, I can't line that back up again, can I? I might... what was I going to do? I don't know what I was going to do. Oh, I don't know. But I've got 3 really simple cards. It was a really quick video. It's just saying, hello, I'm still here. And I'm sorry for the absence and the quietness. But yeah... Thanks. If you've tuned in again and seen me again, thank you ever so much. I really appreciate it. I'll put some little sentiments on here and then at least I've got some cards that I can quickly send because I'm always forgetting people's birthdays. So thanks ever so much for watching. Take care. Bye.